Hi guys, welcome back to a new video in SmartAiBot. I want to tell you guys that look at in YouTube, look at guys that how much people make stories, simple stories and earn so much views like 10 million, 40 million, 190k million, like so much, like 190k thousand I mean. So much. You can also make this. So this is what's today's video title, and let's get started with the first step. Okay, so this is the first step, and in this step I'll be asking ChatGPT to tell me a short story for my script of my storybook. And let me just do that right now. I'll say, tell me a short story in about 200 words. Story for kids age 5 to 6 years old. I said for 5 to 6 years old because I want a small age for kids book. And they gave me, ChatGPT gave me a small and good story which I like. And our first step is done, so on to the second step. Okay, so this is the second step, and in this step I'll be showing you guys on how to do the voiceover for your video because you want a narrator to say your story. And this is a very easy step, so let me just show you. First of all, copy all of your script, and then you can go to Google and type 11 labs. Enter. Click on the first link. If you're new to 11 labs, sign up. If you're not new, you can log in. I'm not really sure if this is like very famous, this website, but I think it's famous. So in text area, you can just click on the text box, Control V, and then paste your script. Once you pasted it, you choose a type of character which you want. Adam, Anthony. They also show how it looks like American Adam is deep in narration. I want to choose Bella because I have seen Bella voice is very good in other people's videos. And you can choose the type of voice setting which you want. To default you want, or high, it's your choice, but I'll just leave it normal. And then 11 multilingual V1 I'll choose. Once you have done that, scroll down a little bit and then click on generate. Okay, once it's finished, it's not finished downloading, but it'll be showing you that how your character is saying the text of what you paste, and if you like it, then you can download it later when it's finished, or if you don't like it, you can do it again. And they'll be showing a download option right now, which is here. You can click on it, and then it'll be downloaded in your files, and you're done with the second step. So on to the third step. Okay, so this is the third step. For this step we need images for our story, but we don't have the images, so we'll go to Blue Willow. If you do not know how to use Blue Willow, or you do not know how to sign up in Blue Willow, you can just comment down below for the tutorial. Just type, please make a video on a tutorial of Blue Willow, or if my YouTube comments are off, then you can click the like button, and then I will 100% upload a video for you guys to know on how to use the app or how to sign up. So we can just go to ChatGPT, copy the first line or the second or third, it's up to you guys. Then you can go back to the Blue Willow, You can click on it, you can click slash imagine prompt, and then control V, this small line of what you copied before. Then I want my image to be cartoon type, so I'll type cartoon type and then hyper realistic and 8K. Then you can wait for a little bit and then it will generate us an image. Okay guys, as you can see, Blue Willow gave us a very good image. I didn't expect it to be this good. You can click on it and see which one you like. This one is like baby and funny type, and this one is like far, the bunny is far, but I'm not sure I'll choose these both. I can choose maybe this one or this one. Let me think. This one looks more good, and also this one. I think I'll choose the first image. Below you can see some sections which are saying U1, U2, U3, U4. U1 is for the first image, U2 is second image, U3 is third image, and U4 is the fourth image. When you click one of them, like I'm gonna click right now, it will give you the image in a bigger form like this. We cannot download it, so we'll use any screenshot app. You can click on open in browser and then you can take a screenshot. And V1, V2, V3, V4. I choose U1, the first picture. V1 means the first picture, but they give like more styles, versions of the first picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture, which one you use. You can do the same steps over and over again, which I showed you right now. Once you've got all your images, then I'll be showing you on how to edit them and also edit the audio, which is the fourth step. So on to the fourth step. Guys, so this is the fourth step, and this is also the final step of this video. In this step, I'll be combining all of the images of the story with the audio and make it into a real story, animated story. So to do that, I'll be using the app called InShot. It's a really easy, basic to use editing app. You can use it to edit videos and photos, or you can use any other editing app which you know, like CapCut, Filmora, which is laptop, KineMaster. Okay, I'll use InShot, so let me click on it. After that, to make your story, click on video and click on the new green button and choose the photos. But I have already done that. I'm not showing it to you guys because it's like very hard to put my photos in order since I have a lot of photos for my story. So that's why. And once you have choose your photos, it will direct you to this place which I'm right now. Same thing, which it's the same thing which is showing for me and also for you. So if you like how it is, it's like square photo. The images of the story is square type, but we're uploading in YouTube. We can also upload like this, but it's like this black side showing, which we don't like. So we'll click on canvas, and then it's already adjusted to 16:9. If it's not, then click on the 16:9. Then you can adjust the photo by zooming in, and yeah, I think that's good. After that, you can do the same for the others photo. Guys, as you can see, I've adjusted all of the canvas or portrait, you can say, of each of the images, and it's a really good style. I really like it. And later in the video, I'll be showing you how to add subtitles, but there is a cool secret which I know. Maybe you guys also know, but I think it's a good secret. Okay, so if you want to cut the clip, you can click on it, scroll down, you can click on the arrows and adjust it like that. Or if you want to make the image like longer, so you can show longer, then you can move it further and along. And now I'll be adding the audio, so I'll click on music, then I'll click on music again, Okay, so if you do not have the audio, then you can click on import, and then what's saved, you can click on the audio and then you can put it in your video. But I have already done that and my audio is here, and then I'll click on use, and then it's adjusted properly and the same. So if you, it's the same way how we edit the image, is the same way how we edit the audio. If you want to split, you can click on the split button and like choose a place where you split. Or if you want to make the volume high,
Once upon a time,
you can
in
make
a color.
it high.
Once upon a time, in a color.
And now I'll show you how to add subtitles. It's easy to add subtitles, guys. You can just click on the text button and then type of what it says in the audio, like once upon a sunny day. Then you can click on the tick button, and you can also adjust it the same way. That way you can do the same for the other images. You can copy and paste it, click on duplicate, and then edit it. You can click on edit like this, click on the text, click on edit button. It says right, he met a squirrel named, I think he met a squirrel. I think that's what it said in the audio. Okay, and then you can do the same for the others, but this will take a lot of time, and if you do not want to do this, you can either watch my previous video of subtitles and you can add it like that, or if you have the pro version of InShot, you can click on the captions. You can save the video and then click on captions, and then, but only if you have a pro version, then you'll be able to add captions. If you do not have it, then you will not be able. Once you've saved it, the audio and stuff will be all together. So let me save it and show it to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, my video is downloading, so I'll wait for a little bit more. As you can see, I saved my video, and now if you download CapCut, you can go to CapCut, okay, let it load for a while, and then okay, once you're in CapCut, so once you're in CapCut, there'll be an above option saying captions. You can click on captions, and then you choose the video which you have saved. Let me just click on a video which I saved right now. Okay.
Once upon a time, in a colorful.
Okay, now as you can see, I've added my video, and now I'm showing us how to add subtitles. You can do voiceover also, but I'll just do subtitles. Let me choose what type of subtitles I choose. I think I'll choose this one. Then what else are there? You can adjust the rest of it by yourself. It's up to you how you want it. I'll click on start. Then we'll create the auto captions. Okay, so our captions are created. And look guys, I'm not lying, it looks so cool.
Once upon a time, in a colorful forest, there lived a little bunny named Benny. Benny was a happy bunny, hopping around and making friends with all the creatures of the forest. One sunny morning,
my images are not adjusted properly, so it's like not in the correct time, so that's why it's different, but I'll adjust it later, and I maybe will upload to YouTube, but I'll see. Guys, one more thing you can do is that while editing your story, you can also add effects to make your story more animated type and like a story type. So to do that, we can go click on filters, and we can click on effects, and then go all the way to celebrate, and then click on the snow. Now after that, you can adjust it. I want to make the snow like affect in my whole video, and it will be looking like this.
Once upon a time, in a colorful forest.
And guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and family.